It's the holiday season, and I'm going to make turkey like you've probably never made it before. This is a really easy recipe, and trust me, a really juicy turkey. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to inject this turkey. We have 14 ounces of chicken broth, and we need 16 ounces total, right? So I'm going to add 2 ounces of wild turkey to the 14 ounces of chicken broth. Now you don't have to do that. You can just use 16 ounces of chicken broth if you like, but I'm going to add the wild turkey. Like, why not? All right, so we're going to go ahead and pour this in. Now, you've seen us use like the It's Incredible on other stuff, but this is It's Incredible marinade, which we're really excited to use. So I'm going to add this It's Incredible marinade into the chicken broth and wild turkey. Oh, that smells really good. Okay, and now I'm going to blend it up. I don't know if that's really a word, blend it up, but that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'm going to blend it up. All right, so you want to make sure you get this as dissolved as possible. And then we're going to go ahead and inject the turkey. All right, I'm going to fill this injector. And then we're going to insert it into this guy. About every inch. Now, as I inject him, I'm going to pull it up. So, comes out. It's a lot of liquid. So the reason I used bourbon, by the way, is because bourbon makes everything taste better. If you don't want to use bourbon, that's great. But I really feel that bourbon makes everything great. I'm going to go ahead and finish up injecting the breast every inch like I said I was, and then we're going to inject his legs, and then we'll be back. Finished injecting our 14-pound turkey, took almost all of the marinade. Today's secret ingredient is mayonnaise. So we have about a cup of mayonnaise here. I've never done this before. I've read that this helps the turkey skin get really nice and brown, and it helps the turkey stay moist. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I get the mayonnaise on the outside of this turkey, and then I'm going to put it on the inside of the cavity, and then once that's done, I'm going to get this turkey seasoned up. I've got the 4-time American Royal Championship barbecue rub. As soon as I get this guy seasoned up, get him in the Masterbuilt. I'm going to get this guy in here. All right. And he got a little messed up during the transition because of all the mayo. So I am going to put a little bit more seasoning on him. We had a lot of mayo on him, so he got a little bit screwy looking here. All right, there he goes. I'm just going to get this guy in, this turkey in, and get this lid shut. We have this Masterbuilt set at 275 degrees. We're going to check back on this guy in an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half, and we need to get this temp probe in this guy. So I'm going to pull this guy out. I don't want to drop him. All right. Whew. Excuse me. Ugh. Whew. Wow. Look at this guy. Mayonnaise is really doing its job. All right. Let's get this guy turned around. He looks beautiful, doesn't he? Oh. It's been 3 hours and the turkey is at 165 and we're going to get it out of here. My mayo turkey's been resting about 30 minutes, and we're going to give it a try. Look who's shown up to eat. Look at this color. It looks really good, right?
I don't have to eat it if you want to cut it by yourself.
No. I want you to cut it. He has to cut it.
If I'm cutting it, we're going to get into the breast.
All right. Of course we are.
Look at it. I have to admit, the color on it, you did well. It's mayo turkey.
It is, yeah.
All right. Look at this juice coming out.
It's super juicy. I keep like having to like soak it up with paper towels.
All right.
Wow.
I don't know, folks. It's getting late here in Florida. Can you guys see that? Full of juice. I hope you can see it. Let me just. You need the fork, or can you take it off?
No. I can take it off.
I don't know how hot it is. Okay.
It's kind of hot, but it's good.
Right. Look at that. Wow, your skin looks awesome. Can you guys see that? Let me put it right there. Can you see the skin? Looks awesome.
Yay.
All right, so it's a mayo turkey.
It's injected.
With a...
It's incredible.
It's incredible.
Mm-hmm.
And then you use the Plowboys rub?
Yes. That.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
Cheers.
Right, let's give it a try. I can't believe how juicy it is.
Wow. Wow.
You did good.
That's super delicious.
I get a smoky flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It's beyond juicy. I know you didn't brine it because I always brine, and I didn't brine it. I got to tell you, I don't know if it's the mayo, the turkey, the injection. I'm not certain you need to brine.
No, I don't think you do.
As juicy as this turkey is.
Yeah, I don't think you need to brine anything.
I always tell everybody, brine turkeys, brine chicken.
Can you cut some of the thigh for me?
The leg?
Yeah, the leg. I know, turkey leg, whatever. Because, you know, I like the darker meat.
Okay. All right, there's your piece.
Okay.
There's your piece of dark. And here's mine.
Oh, that's so good.
All right.
Oh, wow. Oh, that could be at the fair.
You heard that? She's patting herself on the back. It could be at the fair. Let's wrap this up. What do we say?
Click on the bell.
This turkey is darn good. If you haven't made a mayo... Let me finish this up. If you haven't made a mayo turkey, I hope you give it a try. Dear, I'm glad we did this. Thanks so much for watching.